Yeah. So more than power, it's together strokes for this one, just because it's a real technical rapid.
Is that Jade?
Jade is just to the right of that guy there. That's Jeff.
Jeff.
Yep, he's another photographer. Jade's in the sun hat there. Feet tucked in. Yeah? Okay. I need you in just a second here, team. Okay, forward paddle all together. Yeah, you got it. Keep going just like that. Okay, stop. Hold on. That's good. Yeah, good wave. And back paddle, backwards, backwards. Backwards, you got it. So, as cheesy as it is, we can do a little paddle high five. So we'll scrape over a little shallow rock in a moment, and then I'll start calling back paddle. Okay, back paddle, backwards, backwards, backwards. Stop! We're gonna do that again when we go by this green shrub on the left. We will not hit the rock in the middle. Don't worry. Okay, back paddle, backwards, backwards, hard as you can. Keep going, hard, 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 hard. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop! Reposition yourselves. Stay forward for me, guys. This is the first hold on lean coming up. Don't worry, you're good. Okay, I need your help here. Forward paddle, nice and hard. You've got this. All the way up to the edge. Keep going. Keep going. We're almost there. Keep going. Okay, hold on tight. Lean in, lean in. Lean in. Back paddle, back paddle, back paddle. Come on. Harder, harder, harder. Hold on. Hold on tight. Real tight. Yes. Excellent job, you guys.